Your car might feel a little off right now, but ignore that P0101 code for too long, and you could be looking at a much bigger repair bill. Stick with me, because the fix is often easier than you'd think. Welcome back to Car Care Fix. If you're new here, this is the place for simple, practical car care tips and fixes you can do yourself. So make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Today we're breaking down what triggers this code, how to diagnose it, and the easiest at-home fix. Let's dive in. What is the P0101 code? P0101 code means your mass airflow, MAF, sensor is sending the engine computer an inaccurate airflow reading. Once the computer catches the mismatch, it throws the code. Symptoms to watch for P0101 code. A rough or shaky idle, like the engine can't quite catch its breath. Sluggish acceleration that doesn't match how hard you're pressing the gas. Noticeably worse fuel economy, since the air fuel mix is off. Dark exhaust smoke if the engine is burning excess fuel. Random stalling, especially when slowing down or coming to a stop. What usually causes it? A dirty MAF sensor, a clogged or dirty air filter, a cracked or leaking intake hose, a loose or damaged wiring connector, a worn-out or failing MAF sensor. A simple DIY fix P0101 code. Your MAF sensor sits between the air filter and the throttle body. Carefully remove it and inspect the sensing element inside. That thin wire is where dust and oil tend to build up, and that residue is often the real culprit. Spray it down with a MAF-specific cleaner, holding the sensor so it points downward. That way, loosened debris falls away instead of settling back onto the wire, which also helps avoid damaging it. Let it dry completely before reinstalling and reconnecting the sensor. For a lot of vehicles, that's all it takes to clear the problem. Clearing the P0101 code. Once everything's back together, use an OBD2 scanner to clear the code and take the car for a short test drive. If the check engine light stays off, you're set. If it comes back on, there's likely something else going on. Often a vacuum leak or a wiring issue worth checking next. P0101 sounds intimidating, but in most cases, a simple cleaning solves it. If this video helped you out, drop a like and hit subscribe for more car care tips. Got questions or a car problem you want me to cover? Leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. This has been Car Care Fix.